Hi, I'm Nicola, the puppy nanny, and this is my German Shepherd puppy. This is Pippi. She is 16 weeks old, and today we're going to show you how to socialise your puppy to household noises. So we're going to work on a couple of different things. We're going to work on a hairdryer, and we're going to work on a whisk as well. So what we want to do is we want to make sure that we're introducing them to household sounds in a nice positive way, so that it's something that they're not worried about rather than something that they're being scared of. To do this, so you're going to need your noisy household items. So I've got a whisk and I've got a hairdryer as well, and you're going to need some really high value treats. So we've got a little tub of cheese for something that they really like, so not just boring biscuits or that food, it needs to be something really good. Okay, so we're going to start off with the hairdryer first of all. So first off, without plugging it in, I'm just going to show her the hairdryer so that she's okay with it as an object first of all. So I'm just going to let her have a bit of a sniff of it, and then I'm going to reward her for sniffing it. So I'm just giving her a little bit of cheese. If you're clicker training with your puppy, you could click and treat. So she's not worried about the hairdryer being there. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to plug it in. Because at this stage we're introducing sound, I don't want to turn it on and scare her straight away. So I'm going to move it a little bit further away from her so that she doesn't get startled by it. So I'm going to hold it kind of as far away as I can. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn it on, and then I'm going to give her a treat, and then I'm going to turn it off again. Okay, so it went on. She was okay with that, so I'm going to move a little bit closer. She's so okay with it that she's lying down. Closer again. Still not worried. So if at any point she starts to back away or looks uncomfortable or stressed or anything like that, I wouldn't move it any closer. The only reason I'm moving it closer to her is because she's happy with it and she's clearly not bothered by it. So you need to watch your puppy closely to make sure that they are happy with it. First off again, just let her close if she wants to. That's it. Treating her for investigating and have a little bit of a sniff. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in. And I'm going to start off with it further away again. I'm just going to turn it on and off. So I don't want to start right close to her. Okay, so she did a little bit of a back away there. So I would say she wasn't particularly happy with that. So I'm going to reward her where she is. She's just moved a little bit away, so I'm just going to reward her over there. Okay. And again, I can just leave these out on the floor so that she can come over and have a little bit of a sniff and an explore at her own time. And come back and say goodbye to everyone. So have a go at that with your puppies, have a go at different noises as well, and if you have any questions,